What's going on, you guys? I'm back here again at Half Moon Bay. It is such a beautiful day. I came out earlier this time. I woke up at 8 a.m. Can you believe it? I'm here with my buddy Cristian. He's from work. Say hi, Cristian.
Hello.
We've got our lines out. We've got 2 high-low rigs going, and I'm about to rig up a 3rd rod to drop in some holes here. Hopefully we get some eels. We already got a couple bites from crabs on the high-low rig, which we don't want, and they keep stealing our bait, but hopefully that doesn't happen too much more. And hopefully we get some fish bites. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
At least I
made it in the water this time, but not the result I was expecting.
Fish on. All right, waiting for that pull. Oh, I feel it. Does feel like a crab, not gonna lie. It feels like somebody's going like this.
Snap, snap.
Yeah, feels like a snap snap. All right, here we go. I think it was a crab. Man, these crabs, they gotta stop.
Ah! How can I grab them?
Don't let them get away.
Oh.
No, you don't. Oh, this is a good little keeper size, but it's too early in the season. All right, guys, we just got our first solid bite, and it turned out to be another crab. So here's Cristian holding this Dungeness crab. We can't keep him because it's not November 2nd, don't forget, but it's a pretty little crab, and it would be a keeper. It's a pretty good size. So here he is. This line looks tight. I think there's a crab on it again. Yep, there's definitely a crab on here. What? Oh, the Dungeness look like this. They're yellow and purplish.
Okay.
And then the rock crabs are red. And these have thin claws. And the rock crabs have these like fatter claws. All right, guys, well, we just got 2 bites really quick on each other, on each one of the rods. And it turns out the Dungeness crabs are just going crazy this year. Look at this, we got 2 of them. I'm not sure if they'd be keepers, but you know, can't keep them no matter what. So here's the 2 crabs we caught back to back on pure line. We're not even using snares because we're targeting rockfish today. But as you can see, they're both male. You can see their aprons on the bottom. As you can see, this one actually seems to have lost one of its claws before. It's got this little claw on it. Seems to have regrown it. All right, let's get these guys back in the water. I'm gonna throw them away from my line so they don't eat my bait again. There we go. Guys, we just caught, I think it's a jack smelt? I'm not sure, it's really big. I just cast and immediately I felt the bite before I even put the rod down. It's a pretty good sized fish. I might consider keeping this one just in case. Let's see, we got him with the swinging tentacles, and he's really pretty.
Oh, and it was the tentacle.
It was the tentacles, yeah. Alright. Oh! And we just lost them because we were filming. Alright. Well, we didn't get skunked for fish. Let's take care of them.
Well, that one was a generous one.
He's off. Medium distance. Fish on, guys. Look, set the hook. Oh, it's heavy. It's a good fish. Alright, let's see what we put in. It's not fighting so hard. It's another crab. Are you kidding me? What is with the crabs today? And there it goes. Another Dungeness crab. It was pretty small. Alright guys, so it looks like I pulled on my line too long, too hard, and it all came undone. Like the top part came off. So this is a big failure. Oh boy, what do I do about this?
Put it in the bucket.
He's bringing up some crab traps that he laid. Man, this is gonna make a huge mess. There's a crab on this one. Yep. It's a big one. He hasn't come off yet. It's a Dungeness one. Stop eating my bait. Guys, these Dungeness crabs are eating all of my bait, and man, they're all missing claws. Look at this. It's missing another one. Man, can't wait for November 2nd. There's gonna be so many crabs. I'm sure it's gonna be crazy out here on the jetty, but we'll be here. No. I think I got a bunch of algae on it. Oh my god! Alright guys, let's see what we got. We caught a crab snare. Can you believe this, guys? I caught a snare. This is just pure chance. It looks like there's a weight in it and some rotting bits of crab inside of it. But man, I'm gonna bring this back and we're gonna use it to catch some crabs next time, for sure. Alright guys, time to head out. We had a lot of action today, but nothing to take home and keep. So, hey, no rockfish, no eels, but that's fishing. Let's get out of here. Woo!